I'm out here at Clam headquarters checking out the brand new pack sled. Let's see what this thing's all about. Let's jump in.
Here's the Pack Trap Sled. It's aluminum construction, super tough nylon skis. Skis fold into themselves underneath each other, and it weighs in at 36 pounds.
This is awesome. The first thing that I see is a chair.
Yep, so we have our ratchet seat. You can lay flat.
Oh, dang, nice. So you can almost use it as like a little bench. Does it fit the other way too? So it could be a bench across the front?
It lays just like this. It's not pivotable or anything like that.
Okay.
But if you were to put it underneath the tonneau cover, if you're packing them down together, you can lay them flat and then ratcheting it to whatever setting you want for your seat.
And it is removable too?
It is removable.
Cool.
Yep, there's 2 tabs on the front and the back.
So if you weren't going to use it during the day and you wanted to cut that weight or have better accessibility underneath it, you could?
Yep, if you were to trick it out differently as well, you could. You could have that off if you had other mounts, clam lock pieces, other accessories, how you wanted to rig this trap sled out.
Awesome. And then inside, this is in a tub, right?
Nope, this is a canvas piece. It's 600 denier fabric. There's a PE stiffener boards inside of it, along with some fiberglass rods to keep this super rigid. Drain holes for water.
Nice. This is awesome. And then it just has straps that strap it around the aluminum.
Yep, the Velcro straps that go all the way around here to keep it tight. It is removable for if you're off-season storage, if you wanted to take that off and just leave the frame in your garage and take the rest of it into your basement.
Cool. And then it's, like you said, aluminum frame. So it's super lightweight. And then underneath it, we've got the aluminum uprights, and then it looks like some skis underneath it.
Yep, it's super tough nylon, so it's durable walking it across the ice or the parking lot.
And then you've got a nice pulling strap.
Pulling strap, yep.
Cool. So this is intended to be hand pulled.
Intended to be hand pulled, yep.
Because the weight on it is
36 pounds.
36 pounds, super lightweight. This thing is awesome. I'm super excited about it. I'm sure a ton of people are going to modify this thing out. Let's see what it looks like collapsed down. Can we do that? Yeah. So the thing that I like about this is you could fit it in the back of your car, in the front seat of your car, like super lightweight. That's insane. Look how skinny it gets. See, he's just got the 3 hand nuts on either side, so it's toolless for being able to do that. Pops it out, and then he can tighten them down to pop it flat. And then just like that, look at how skinny that thing is. And I'll put on the screen here what the dimensions of it are. We know 36 pounds with the chair. Yep. Chair is about 5 pounds, so you take that off, and now you're 31-ish pounds in there, plus everything that you want to put in there. Or you don't need to collapse it, right? Like you can modify this thing out with all the attachments and just, it's so small, you can just throw it in the back of your truck.
Truck, car. Something that's really cool is that this could be in any small 4-door sedan. You don't need an SUV or a pickup truck.
This is cool. So if people want to pick this up, what is the price point on it?
The price point on this guy is going to be $349. It'll be on clamoutdoors.com and at other major retailers.
Awesome. This thing is cool.